welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is a get it all done with me. Ava, say hi.
Hi.
We are in my husband's truck. We're on our way into the big city because we have an order to pick up. So we actually order a lot of our meat through a butcher shop in town. So we're gonna go in there, pick that up. Then we're gonna come back and I have cleaning to do, I have work to do, we have homeschool to do.
I have some lunch too.
Yeah, and we have to have lunch. So we have a jam-packed day. So hopefully I'll give you guys lots of mommy motivation. If you're interested in some positivity, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, lifestyle, and homemaking. So I would love it if you guys would click that like and subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. We're just on our way into the city and my little one, she's 3.5. And I don't know if you saw my last video, I was just saying like I have some concerns of her not having a lot of social interaction, but she's losing her mind with excitement to see big buildings. And I think that's exciting for any kid to see big buildings, but it's like, oh, you poor child, you've been so sheltered that her big day out is going for a drive to the city.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
So that bakery was so exciting. I bought a couple things. We got some croissants, some ham and cheese croissants, some sausage rolls, because Miracle loves sausage rolls, and then of course a couple treats for Ava and I. But Ava's happy, she's having some crackers. Now it's on to errand number 2. So we are all home and we had to run and get Buster Brown some food and stuff, nothing exciting. But I wanted to show you guys what we picked up from this bakery. So it's called Eclair de Lune and it's in Calgary. So if you are in Calgary, go there. It was so cool because they had obviously amazing croissants and quiche and macaroons and cakes and cookies, but they also had a big frozen section where you could actually take stuff home and bake it yourself. There's the bakery. And then look. So Ava got a strawberry chantilly. Creme brulee I could not resist. I got a Boston cream eclair and a vanilla slice because that reminded me of my mom. These are the sausage rolls. Mirik is a sausage roll fanatic, so I got some of these. And then look at these croissants. Oh my goodness. So we're now in Ava's schoolroom and it is time to get some schoolwork done. Fridays I usually don't get into such a big lesson. It's more like hands-on. Whoa, muscles. It's more learning through play. We do lots of activities and have lots of fun today. So should be a fun little lesson. So we're gonna be working on some numbers today. So I got this great book. It's from Scholastic and it's my first Canadian 1, 2, 3. So there's lots of counting exercises up here and it goes up to 20, which is great. And there's examples and it gives you also ideas to do for activities. This has been a great little resource. How many houses are there?
1.
1. Can you point to the number 1?
Number 1.
High five.
Yeah.
Okay, how many cars?
To number 2.
Okay, Ava, what's this number?
3.
Yeah, count the doggies.
2, 3.
Good. And Ava, how many cupcakes are there?
1, 2, 3.
I've been
Good
trying my best
girl.
for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
just get it all done with me video is I need to head to the grocery store and pick up some odds and sods. I actually don't need a lot because I ordered chef's plates. I'm getting 4 meals delivered to me next week. So I'm just gonna pick up a couple things for more like breakfast and lunches. So let's go get some groceries. All right, so I am here. The one thing, and I've talked about this before, I wanted to show you guys. If you can find these mini Lysol disinfectant all-in-one sprays for your purse, I really highly recommend them. I carry them with me everywhere I go. I use them on all of my carts. Any surfaces that I touch just gives me peace of mind. So this has really been, yeah, I think this is probably like my 6th bottle I've gone through. I love these. Okay. Let's get this shopping done.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open.
Okay, all done and ready to head home. All right, so I am back from the grocery store and I thought that I'd just do a tiny little mini grocery haul for you guys. So really I got groceries to round out some of our meals, especially for breakfast and lunches, because I am getting that chef's plate order later on in the week. But some of these groceries are gonna last us for a couple weeks, and some, obviously the perishables and the produce, will just get us through the next 10 days or so. So let me get into this grocery haul. So first up, I got rotisserie chicken. I get a rotisserie chicken as often as I can. They're great to throw into soups or to make curries with. This is always such a time saver. And I'll link to a past video where I did a really easy butter chicken and all I did was use this rotisserie chicken. Then I got some of these lean turkey pepperoni sticks. I love these, they're really good. And for one stick, it's approximately 50 calories, so that's not too bad. Then Miss Muffet always likes hot dogs once in a while, so I got these natural top dogs, 25% less sodium. And then with those, I just got some classic hot dog buns. If it's a night, especially with chef's plate coming, I know there's a night where it's quite spicy, she won't have that. So this will be easy for her to have. Then we got some sandwich meat. You know what? I usually buy, for the past probably year, I've been buying prepackaged sandwich meat. And then lately I've been going back to the deli, and there's nothing like fresh sliced deli meat for sandwiches. Ava is a big fan of honey ham. And then I got Merrick some of this peppered turkey breast, which I thought that he'd really enjoy. Then for a meal that is really quick and easy, that is a great standby for us, I got some beef tortellini with some rosé sauce. Now, I know every grocery store has their own brand. You can also get Olivieri, but at Save On Foods, they have this Western Family brand. That's kind of like their no-name brand, and it is so good. I love it. And then we needed some extra Parmesan cheese because Ava loves her parm and so does Mommy. So we got some Parmesan. For produce, I got some tomatoes on the vine for our sandwiches. And then I really like alfalfa sprouts. I know they're a little bit controversial. You have to be careful with them, but
Alfalfa.
Oh, I've been saying it wrong all my life. I thought it was alfalfa.
Alfalfa?
Some alfalfa sprouts.
Alfalfa.
Okay, then for some snacks, because we are trying to eat healthier, I got a cucumber and then I got some sugar snap peas. To dip our veggies in, I got some of this Summer Fresh roasted red pepper hummus. This is my favorite hummus, it's delicious. Okay, we needed some butter, nothing exciting there. I know, Mr. Brown, you can smell the rotisserie chicken. Okay, bub. Okay, then this is my favorite salad. I talk about it all the time. It is the Taylor Farms Dill Pickle Salad. The Taylor Farms brand of their chopped salad kits have so many and they're delicious, but I love pickles, so this dill pickle kit is great. And I'm gonna be making up some smoothie packs in an upcoming video because I really like smoothies in the mornings and so does Ava. So I got a bag of baby spinach for that. Then I got some bananas, and there's a lot of bananas here, but what I actually do is I only keep half of the bunch out for Ava and the other half I actually cut in half and freeze them because it makes smoothies so nice and creamy and sweet and delicious. So that's what I do with those. Then I got some berries. So Ava is a big fan of berries, so I got some strawberries and some fresh raspberries. That's great to top off her oatmeal with. And then I also got some blueberries. Ava's kind of turning off the blueberries. However, I just started making this delicious baked oatmeal, and I'll link to a past video here where I show you guys my recipe, and the blueberries in it are divine. Then I got just a small bag of green seedless grapes. Ava really likes grapes and cheese and crackers sometimes for lunches, so she hasn't had them for a while, so I thought that'd be nice. Then I got 2 navel oranges. I didn't get too many. I got a bag of the little tiny mandarin oranges, and we just didn't go through them in time. So I thought that I'd just get 2 of the navel oranges, and then 2 Ava size little gala apples. They're just perfect size for her. Then this is really good. It's that Western Family brand again, but it's a spicy guacamole. This is really good.
Banana.
Yeah, you can try a banana.
Please, I will try that.
Oh, one of this. Okay, well let me show everybody. Okay, then Ava really likes these nano yogurt drinks. Usually the raspberry is her favorite, but she asked me to try and get this banana kind. So let's see if she likes it. And I got some Baby Bell cheese for snacks. These are always great, especially to pair with those little turkey pepperoni sticks in a jiffy. That's a great snack. Okay, then Ava's been loving this Oasis smoothie. I know it has a lot of sugar, so I always water it down, but this is actually really delicious. And then, oops, some 2% milk because Ava still likes her milk in the morning, and I use it too for my coffees. Then this is the Save On Foods kitchen brand of tomato basil bisque. Ava loves tomato basil bisque, especially this one. And then with soup and sandwiches for lunch or dinner sometimes, even sometimes she just wants like soup and toast, this is her favorite. Okay, then I don't know why, I used to have Activia yogurt all the time. Then I got more into Greek yogurt, but then the other week I turned back to Activia, and I really just enjoy the Activia yogurt. So does Ava. So I got this mix of strawberry and raspberry Activia yogurt. This next prepackaged pile is all about Ava. So this first thing is Ava's absolute favorite mac and cheese. It is the Annie's Shells and Real Aged Cheddar. She refers to this as her orange mac and cheese. I've tried other brands. I've tried to make it on my own, and she knows, and she sniffs it out and she says, nope, that's not my orange mac and cheese. So it was on sale, so I got one of those. Then you cannot leave the store without some Mickey waffles for this little monkey of mine. And then as for snacks, these are Ava's absolute favorite. I love them too. Ava likes the blueberry kind. I like the raspberry. So I picked up another Nature's Bakery fig bar box. So usually when I give her a snack, sometimes I only give her one of these bars, but she absolutely loves them. The ingredients aren't too bad in there. I really like the raspberry, but blueberry's her favorite. And then for snacks for Ava and myself and Mirek, we always like crackers, and these Toppables crackers seem to be a family hit with us. Then I got some crispy mini rice cakes to top off with cream cheese sometimes, or even just like cheese and tomato. And then for some lunches, I got some everything bagels. I love everything bagels, not necessarily just the seasoning, but I really like everything bagels. And then I needed some mayonnaise for some sandwiches. I've tried the low fat, I've tried all different brands, but I always go back to this Hellmann's olive oil brand. It is so delicious and it's great. I don't use that much. A little bit goes a long way. Then, this is definitely not exciting, but I've been using this Scrubbing Bubbles toilet cleaning gel. I love it. It lasts about 10 to 12 days in your toilet. It really keeps it nice and fresh and clean, so yeah, I've been loving that. Okay, so that is my little mini grocery haul. I'm gonna put everything away. All right, so I'm just getting ready to hop onto a Zoom call, and then after my Zoom call, it is time to get cleaning my house. I don't have a lot to do, but I just have a couple things here and there. Okay, here we go.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, cause I'm thinking we'll be young.
So it is pizza party Friday nights. We've ordered pizza. It started, you guys probably can't see it. It started snowing outside, so it feels like Christmas. It's freezing, so we're all cozied up. We're gonna have our pizza party and then probably a movie. And I'm guessing it's gonna be Frozen.
Pizza party Friday night. Pizza party Friday night.
Yeah. Sure is good.
All right, I'm gonna call it a day. It is now time for this mama to take a long hot bath. I'm exhausted, but we checked off all of our to-do lists, so I hope that you got a lot of mommy motivation, and I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourself.